Okay. You need to go to first menu. Asking for change access level. Press enter. Asking for login, logout. Press asking for password. Password is 333. Enter. Access is granted. Okay. And make exit, and you want to go to disable the any devices. You need to press the IDNet. IDNet is M. M means mapnet. Mapnet means loop. Okay, example is 13. Then press net. And this is a disable number for the new devices. Example is 1. Make it. Press it. See? Fire panel 1, second floor, corridor, SSS 9, L3, 1. Smoke it. Normal. Here, see, enable and disable. Press disable and press enter. Say disable. Same you need to enable. Press enable. Press enter. See, you need to 59 seconds for enable.